won't believe all the great recipes you can come up with using our Gordon Choice cake mixes. Hi, my name is Christine Dively, culinary specialist with the Florida Division and Gordon Food Service. And today I'll be showing you 3 unique recipes using our fudge brownie mix and Gordon Choice cake mixes that do not include making cake. I'll be showing you how to make an Amethyst cherry berry cheesecake crostata using our Gordon Choice white cake mix. We're gonna start with either fresh or frozen blueberries and cherries. Add sugar, fresh squeezed lemon juice, and zest. Cook the berries down for about 10 minutes. Prepare a little bit of a cornstarch slurry to thicken everything up. Turn off the heat and add your vanilla. Take 8 ounces of room temperature softened cream cheese, sugar, fresh squeezed lemon juice and zest, 1 egg yolk, and a little bit of vanilla. We're gonna whisk that together until it's well combined with no lumps. Now let's get started on that crostata base. White cake mix. To that, we're gonna whisk in all-purpose flour. We're gonna add our eggs. Go ahead and stir that together to create a soft dough that you can work with your hands. Portion this soft dough into 3 to 4 ounce dough balls to form the base of our crostata. Go ahead and start flattening them out into discs. Top it with the cheesecake base and the cherry berry filling. Now gently pick up each of your discs and begin crimping the edges towards the center. Egg wash them and sprinkle a little sugar on the edges. Into the oven they go, 350 degrees for about 15 minutes. So you can see they have the perfect golden brown color around the crust. Let your crostatas cool for at least 15 minutes so that they're easy to handle. Then you can hit them with the powdered sugar for garnish. We're gonna move into our next recipe, which is our double chocolate hazelnut biscotti. Let's begin with our dry ingredients. I've got our fudge brownie mix here, and we're just gonna whisk that with some regular all-purpose flour. In a separate bowl, add your eggs, oil, chocolate hazelnut spread, chopped hazelnuts, and semi-sweet mini chocolate chips. Fold the mix together until a nice firm dough begins to form. Turn it out onto our parchment-lined sheet pan and begin forming it into a 4 by 13 loaf. Pop it in the oven for about 20 minutes till it looks cracked and cooked on the surface. This is exactly the texture and crispy crackle that we're looking for on top that lets us know that this loaf is fully cooked. So our biscotti loaf has cooled down and we're getting ready to slice it into 1-inch slices. Flip the cookies over on their sides so they can begin drying out and finishing to cook in the oven for the next 12 minutes. So as you can see, they've perfectly dried out. They've got that beautiful crunch to them that we're looking for with the biscotti. Glaze them with a little bit of milk chocolate and some chopped hazelnuts to garnish. We're gonna move on to our last recipe, which is our pumpkin pecan cobbler using our Gordon Choice yellow cake mix. We're gonna add into our bowl some pumpkin puree, evaporated milk, freshly squeezed and zested orange. To that, we're gonna add our eggs, light brown sugar, and our cinnamon, ginger, and nutmeg spice blend. We're gonna whisk it until it's fully combined. Dump it into our 9 by 13 pan. Take our yellow cake mix straight out of the box and sprinkle it over the top of our pumpkin base. Add the vanilla bean paste to make a vanilla butter. And the very last step is this all-important pecan crunch. Now, as tempting as it is, do not mix it. Straight into the oven for 1 hour. Now, as you can see, the crust formed beautifully on top. It is a wonderful golden brown color. We're gonna finish her off by mixing equal parts of our trade East cinnamon maple sprinkles and just regular powdered sugar. These recipes and more are already loaded into Gordon Culinary Pro, which is a fantastic tool for you to manage all of your recipes and inventory all in one location. The newest feature from Gordon Culinary Pro is that you can order your ingredients right off of the recipe sheet with the click of a button. For more inspiration and for more recipes, go to gfs.com.